Hello boys and girls, so this video I am making for my lovely CMA students. So now every student of CA and CS know when their exams are happening except the CMA students. CMA students ka till now the date sheets have not been released, but let me tell you the most probable and expected date for the CMA students so that they can get a heads up and start preparing thoroughly. I know you have started your preparation. If you haven't, then it's your fault. You should start your preparation immediately. Right, so the most probable expected date of CMA exams is going to be August end. Why I am saying so? August end, because not earlier than that it is possible. Why? Because in July CA exams are scheduled to happen. Okay, the moment it gets complete, the CS Institute has already scheduled the exam from 10th August, which is going to run till 20th August, 20 August. So only after that CMA Institute can schedule their exams. Okay. And so the most probable date, expected date is going to be the end of August month. Okay, either end of August month or September first week the exams are going to take place, most probably the end of August. Okay, so still you are having more than 2.5 months, approx 2 months you are still having. So go all guns blazing, and I hope you are enjoying the revision sessions that I am taking for all of you. Mission Company Law batch, daily revision is going on, and apart from that you should refer CMA marathon, both of inter level, foundation level as well as of final level. So all the levels we have prepared playlist in which all the marathons are there, so do refer those. Okay, and those marathons are absolutely valid for you, and they were made for your term only, so just go for it. Okay, and exclusive marathons have been made for CMA foundation, CMA inter and CMA final, and you can refer those playlists. I'll be giving the link of the playlist at the end of the video, so you can just click on those playlists and start watching the video. And for daily revision, do watch the Mission Company Law batch. Okay, now many of the students might be wondering, sir, bring the mission batches for other subjects as well, but let me tell you, we are already taking regular batches as well. Okay, we are already taking regular batches as well. Apart from the regular batches that we are taking for our enrolled student, whatever help we can do for the fraternity we are doing. Okay, so do not make such a kind of request which is not practically possible. So marathons have been already given and the playlist has been already updated, so do refer those. Okay, and yes, you can enroll with us for the regular batches by visiting www.meplclasses.com, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe, press the bell icon and share the channel with all. Also our new channel MEPL classes, do subscribe and press the bell icon of that channel also. Okay, and website meplclasses.com, app you can download the app. Sir, app download karke kya hoga? You will be getting the free notes, okay, from free resources. So app ka naam hai MEPL classes, not MEPL. The app name is MEPL classes. Take care, lots of love, and start studying, and I am always there for you till you become CMA, and even after that. Take care, lots of love, bye bye.